Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Shortcut Mastery. If you are facing such type of error like Windows script host cannot find script file in C, Windows System 32 and maintenance.vbs. So let's watch how to fix it. So firstly you have to just go to the notepad. So you have to just open the notepad and you have to open it up, and in notepad you have to just type wscript wscript.quit, and then you have to just save this file. You have to file, then go to the save as, and you have to just pay save it anywhere, like I will save it on desktop, and then you have to just rename it same as I rename it to maintenance.vbs, the extension. And then you have to change the format as I will select all files, and then you have to just save it and then close it. And at here I have to just check the file that I have saved here. As you can see, the maintenance.vbs. So after this you have to just copy or cut this file. So I will copy it, and then you have to just go to the your this PC and in C drive, and at here you have to just go to the Windows, and in Windows you have to just find out system 32. Here it is, system 32. So you have to just open it up, and in system 32 you have to just paste that file here. So when you paste this here, so your issue will be fixed and you have to just restart your PC. So if you like my video, so kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.